Hello everyone and welcome back to the Young Scientist blog. My name is Shripriya and this year I am one of the top 10 finalists of the 3M Young Scientist Challenge from San Jose, California. I cannot believe that it's already been 1 month into my summer mentorship. Along with the help from my amazing mentor, Dr. PJ Flanagan, I have been working hard to bring my solution to reality and to make the fear of needles a thing of the past. I have been so excited to talk to everyone a little bit more about my actual project itself. Having access to a summer mentorship in order to enhance my project has really helped me to think differently about many aspects of my project. I have grown to think differently about many problems and think about them from the perspective of those who are struggling with them. Some of you may not enjoy getting injections at the doctor's office because of the design of hypodermic needles. For me at least, it was very uncomfortable and frightening because I didn't like the idea of a big needle being stuck into my arm. But I don't think anyone should have to deal with the fear that comes with having your pain, fear, or struggling being treated as less than worthy of care. And this is just for a single injection. For people who suffer from chronic conditions like diabetes, especially kids, and those who suffer from Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia that can't take medications by themselves, they suffer from this for a really long time. I really wanted to design a solution that could be a long-term care solution for them so that they don't have to feel this way. When I started playing around with the idea of a microneedle patch that can autonomously deliver medication using the BZ reaction back in November, I was wondering which materials would be best to use in the patch. And I was just really unsure of how transdermal patches were designed. However, thanks to Dr. Flanagan's valuable feedback, tips, and insight in the brainstorming process, as well as her expertise in drug delivery, I have really been able to think differently about problems, and she has inspired me in a lot of ways. She has also guided me in my communication with other experts and also helping me with procuring 3M materials which I really need. And she's been helping me figure out how to incorporate them into my project too. Thanks to Dr. Flanagan's help, I've been feeling really good about where I am in the challenge so far, as I've been working on designing prototypes on CAD software, drawing out several prototypes, and I've even started building some of them. So far, my 2 favorite parts of the challenge, yes, I cannot pick between both of them, are my weekly meetings with my mentor and getting to meet the other finalists. My mentor, Dr. Flanagan, is such a wonderful person, and I'm really glad that I get to learn from her. She is really an inspiration to me, and she's such a friendly and helpful mentor. Meeting with her is the highlight of my week, as well as my basketball practices with my team. And in a way, throughout this challenge, I've kind of realized that science is also a team game. We need everybody's help and support in order to change and save millions of lives. Speaking of a team, I've really enjoyed meeting the other finalists. I've already found that I have some things in common with them, and I'm so excited to meet them at the final event in October. Like any roller coaster, so far, the process of working on my project has had its highs and its lows. Science can be amazing, but it's also surprisingly tricky. When I first started working on designing my prototypes, I realized that I just didn't have access to a lot of the materials I needed, like structural support for my patch, microneedle arrays, materials to separate the different compartments of my BZ reaction, etc. I am very happy that Dr. Flanagan has been helping me procure these materials from 3M and also contacting other experts that can potentially help me. I am so glad that I've been able to overcome these challenges, and I hope that I can overcome even more challenges as they are thrown at me. I am already learning so much about myself in this scientific journey, and I hope you enjoy learning about me too. This is Shripriya signing off. See you right back here at the Young Scientist blog soon. Have a great rest of your day.